everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a magnetic bead heart. It's basically made out of a bunch of triangles, which isn't really hard to do. So let's make it. So we're going to use these three colors. So first we're going to use red for the first half of the heart. And then we cut 3 out of here. To make a circle. And then we make it into a triangle. Like that. And then we make 5 more of those. And we will have 4 left over. So now we've made all 5 triangles, and then we have to connect them all. So first, we make this shape, and then we connect 1 more triangle to this triangle. If it does that, then you have to flip it over. Then we attach it like that. And do it with the other triangle. And then for the last triangle, you also do that. And then you make that shape again, the hexagon, actually pentagon. And then make 1 more of these. So now we've got all 5 triangles again, and then we connect them. We make them into this, and then we see if they connect. And then we have to do the same with the orange. And then we connect these 2 edges together like that. And then we have to connect these 2 together. So if it's like that or something, then you have to take them off. And then take this off. And then make it into one piece just the opposite way. So before it was like this, and after it was like this. And now we've made both of these, and now we need the yellow. And now we have to use this and make 4 more triangles. And now we've made 4 triangles, and we're going to take 1 triangle and then connect it to here. And then do the same with the other side. And then connect it like that, so you have kind of a 2D heart thing. And then do the same with this. So connect it like that. And then connect it like that. And now you have 2 hearts. And now we're going to connect them. If they're like that, then you have to take your card. And then split this in half. And then do this. And then do the same to the other half. And then connect them both again. Like that. And then they should connect. So if it's like that, do the same with the other side. So it's kind of like that. And then connect these pieces. And then we've made our heart. If you want it like this, then you're done. But if you want it to look different, then you can connect. Then you can patch up this hole like this. This honestly kind of looks more like a heart. If you want a challenge, you can fill up these holes in the heart and make it like kind of one heart, but it can mess up if it's already a heart, and then you have to take it apart again. But if you want to make these holes gone, then yeah, you can do that. So that's the finished heart. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.